Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated wiring? The Scosche wiring harness connects directly to your factory stereo harness, making aftermarket stereo installation smoother than ever. No wire cutting, no guesswork, just a clean, direct connection that fits right into your vehicle's existing setup. What sets this harness apart? It's made with factory-quality wire and connectors, designed to match industry-standard EIA color-coded wiring. That means you can identify each wire quickly, speeding up installation and reducing errors. Plus, it's built to last, ensuring your new stereo stays powered with a reliable connection. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories. Their dedication to quality and affordability shows in every product. When you choose Scosche, you're backed by a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. If questions come up during installation or down the road, their expert team is just a call away. One satisfied customer shared how this harness made installing an aftermarket stereo much easier. They praised the copper wires and proper gauge, plus appreciated the clear wiring code included in the bag. While they wished for wiring nuts to simplify splicing, the overall experience was smooth, especially with helpful customer service ready to assist. Keep in mind, this harness isn't compatible with factory amplified systems, so double-check your vehicle's audio setup before purchasing. But if your car uses a standard factory stereo harness, this is a straightforward solution that saves time and effort. If you're ready to upgrade your car's sound system without the frustration of rewiring, this Scosche wiring harness is worth a look. It offers a reliable, plug-and-play connection that respects your vehicle's original wiring while giving you the flexibility to install the stereo you want. Take control of your car audio upgrade today. With Scosche's proven quality and support, you get peace of mind and a hassle-free installation. Try it when you're ready and experience how easy aftermarket stereo installation can be.